Good morning, everyone. How are you all? The work which was given yesterday, that is done by everyone. Have you done all? Okay. Please tell me in the comment section fast that the work is being done. Pause करो वीडियो को and then firstly do in the comment section कि मैम work is done by us. Clear? As you all know that we are on the last topic of the chapter, that is artificial satellites. Okay. So artificial satellites, these are the man-made objects. These are the man-made objects which revolve around the earth, okay, for a specific purpose. Which revolve around the earth for specific purpose. So you must have here that there are a number of artificial satellites which are orbiting the earth. Okay. There are the number of artificial satellites which are orbiting the earth. You might wonder how artificial satellites are different from natural satellites. कि जो आर्टिफिशियल है वो नेचुरल से डिफरेंट कैसे हैं. आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट्स आर मैन मेड. दे आर लॉन्च्ड फ्रॉम द अर्थ. दे आर लॉन्च्ड फ्रॉम द अर्थ. दे रिवॉल्व अराउंड द अर्थ. रिवॉल्व अराउंड द अर्थ much closer than Earth's natural satellite, the moon. These artificial satellites, these are much closer than Earth's natural satellite, the moon. Okay. So as we know that a celestial body revolving around a planet is called satellite. Yes, जो celestial body revolve करती है planet के around, that is known as satellite. There are many natural satellites of different planets, such as the moon is natural satellite of the earth. Moon किसका है? Earth का. However, artificial satellites are man-made. As the name is telling, artificially means these are made by man. They are launched from the earth and made to revolve around the earth. Okay. कहाँ से launch होते हैं? Earth से and made to revolve around the earth much closer than its natural satellite, that is moon. Clear? So let us turn to the next page. So India has built and launched several artificial satellites. India has built and launched several artificial satellites. Aryabhatta was the first Indian satellite. So question is, which was the first Indian satellite? That is Aryabhatta. Some another Indian satellites are INSET, IRS, Kalpana 1, EduSat, etc. So artificial satellites have many practical applications. जो satellites हैं artificial की बहुत सारी practical applications भी हैं. They are used for forecasting weather, transmitting television and radio signals. They are also used for communication and remote sensing. किसके लिए यूज़ होते हैं? रिमोट सेंसिंग और टेलीकम्युनिकेशन के लिए भी. ओके. सो विच वॉज द फर्स्ट इंडियन सैटेलाइट? दैट वॉज द आर्यभट्टा, लॉन्च्ड इन 1975. कब लॉन्च हुआ था? 1975 में. ओके. द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इंडियन सैटेलाइट्स इज़ द इंडियन स्पेस रिसर्च ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इनके लिए कौन सी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन रिस्पॉन्सिबल है? दैट इज़ ISRO. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Clear? On February 2017, ISRO launched 104 satellites in a single rocket. Okay? February 2017 में ISRO ने लॉन्च किया 104 satellites in a single rocket. Name was PSLV C-37. Name was PSLV C-37 and created a world record. And a world record is being created. Okay. So इनकी applications क्या क्या हैं? साइंटिफिक रिसर्च में यूज़ होता है, वेदर फोरकास्टिंग में, कम्युनिकेशन में, नेविगेशन में, मिलिट्री पर्पज़ में. ओके. साइंटिफिक सैटेलाइट्स मीन्स यूज टू डिटेक्ट द एनर्जी फ्रॉम द सन. Energy from the sun, the changes in the ozone layer, atmosphere around Mars, Venus, Jupiter, These are the scientific purpose. So weather satellites are used by the meteorologist. जो weather satellite है, these are being used in the weather forecasting. So obviously these will be used by the meteorologist to gather information regarding the weather across clouds. Weather की information collect करने के लिए weather satellites are used. These satellites furnish advanced information of weather and save human beings from natural calamities caused due to the erratic weather. Okay, जो ये weather forecasting होती है, announcement होती है about the weather in advance, these help the human being from natural calamities. Okay, I hope everything is clear up to here. Communication satellites, they means from a certain place on the earth remain active to connect any signal with the radio or the television. Okay, that is why how it is used in the communication satellites, because they form a connection. The navigation satellites perform the task of guiding the sailors direction on sea. Okay, means they are telling the direction in whenever the sailors are in the sea by explaining the course of the deep sea waters through radio messages. Okay, I will send this pic also, you can read from there also. Military satellites, they are used in military departments for coordinating communications. कैसे यूज होता है? For coordinating communications and accurate mapping through the pictures provided by these satellites. Okay, so Indian Space Research Organization was established when on 15th August 1969. कब एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था? 1969 में. हेडक्वार्टर्स कहाँ पे है? बेंगलोर. ओके, फर्स्ट सैटेलाइट वॉज आर्यभट्टा when it was launched in 1975. Clear? The Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite Sputnik 1. सोवियत यूनियन ने कब लॉन्च किया था अपना फर्स्ट आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट? दैट वाज इन नेम वाज स्पुतनिक 1 in 1957. Clear? Since then, the United States of America and about 40 other countries have developed, launched and operate satellites. Clear? So some satellites are like Aryabhatta, India's first built satellite. Bhaskara 1, first experimental remote sensing satellite built in India. Clear? So these are the some satellites use कहाँ पे हैं? Weather forecasting में, transmitting television radio signals में, use for telecommunication, remote sensing, collecting information about other planets, outer space, stars, galaxies, to give some information about natural sources like oil wells, underground water, minerals, natural gas and oil deposits. Okay, I will send these pics also, you can read from there. Clear? You will just take a reading of this, then we will read the points. These also what you have learned. Okay, read these ones. Pause your video ko and then you can read. Then come to the points what you have learned. The first point is the phases of the moon occur because we can see only that part of the moon which reflects the light of sun towards us. Stars are the celestial bodies that emit light of their own. Our sun is also a star. It is convenient to express distances of stars in light years because we cannot measure this distance in kilometer. It is very much. बहुत ज़्यादा है. Kilometer is not convenient to measure. So we are using the light year. Stars appear to move from east to west. Stars appear to move from east to west. The pole star appears to be stationary from the earth because it is situated close to the direction of the axis of rotation of the earth. Okay, pole star क्या है? It is stationary, means it is not moving because it is situated close to the direction of axis of rotation of the earth. Constellation are a group of stars that appear to form recognizable shapes. The solar system consists of 8 planets and a host of asteroids, comets, and meteors. A body revolving around another body is called a satellite. Moon is the natural satellite of the Earth. Some planets also have natural satellites. Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. The artificial satellites revolve around the Earth. They are much closer than the Moon. Artificial satellites are used for weather forecasting, long distance communication, and remote sensing. Okay, so I will send the part which is left of this chapter. It will be complete today. Okay, you may do in your fair notebooks. If you have any doubt, you may ask in the comment section. The chapter is over. Okay, and tomorrow we will start which chapter is left? Sound chapter. We will start sound chapter. Okay, so thank you everyone. Goodbye, and I request you all, please listen every word carefully. Okay, thank you everyone.